Let me introduce alphabet P. Patterns. We use to write letter P. Standing line, left curve. Capital P, small p. P for potato. P for pot. P for parrot. P for penguin. P for pencil. P for pen. P for pineapple. P for pan. P for plant. P for pomegranate. P for pig. P for peace. P for peacock. P for panda. P for piano. P for pizza. P for puppy. P for pillow. P for papaya. P for pie. P for pear. P for pumpkin. P for peach. P for pigeon. P for plum.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more video.